Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Grammar, action words. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save the video first, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first lesson. Thank you. Problem 1. Action words. Please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. An action word tells what happens. Read each sentence. Circle the word that tells what happens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences. Please circle the correct word. Please pick up a pen now and solve this problem. Okay, here's what we did. We drew a line. Number 1, the hen sits. Sits is the action word. Number 2, the cat ran. Ran is the action word. Number 3, Pam hid. Hid is the action word. Number 4, Jim ran. Ran is the action word. 5, the dog naps. Naps is the action word. And number 6, Kara walks to school. Walks is the action word. If your answers match ours, that is terrific. If you would please, have another student come up for the smartboard to the very next problem. And while they're doing that, if you would pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Number 2, please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. Action words. An action word tells what happens. Read the words. We have run and see. Use the words to finish the sentences. Below we have number 1, I will blank up the hill. Number 2, I blank a big pig. Choose the correct action word and write it in the spaces provided. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, the action words that we have are I will run up the hill. I see a big pig. If your answers match ours, that is remarkable. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard. And while they're doing that, if you would please pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 3. Action words. Please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. An action word tells what happens. Look at each picture. Read the words, write the action word only in the spaces provided. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, here's what we have as action words. For the first one, you can see the girl is crying. Tigger, he is mopping. And the last one, we have a rabbit, and he is hopping. If your answers matched ours, that is truly amazing. Outstanding. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're doing that, if you would pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 4. Please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. Action words. This is the last problem for today. Read each sentence. Fill in the circle next to the action word. For example, number 1, I sit on a hill. Which one of these is the action word? Please darken in the correct circle. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, here is what we decided. I sit. Sit is the action word. I sit on the hill. The rat ran fast. Ran is the action word. The rat ran fast. We mop a lot. Mop is the action word. And the last one, the dog digs up bones. Digs is the action word. If your answer matches ours, that is superior. Outstanding. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answers. And thank you for working with us today.